Gordon from Tanglewood has a question about window choices.
Yeah, he's rehabbing his home and all the windows in it.
Okay.
Gordon writes, there are so many choices, don't we know it? Vinyl outside, wood inside, composite outside, wood inside, composite, vinyl. Anyway, 100%. The cost is what he's looking at. The cost difference between them, Tom, he says is about $6,000 to $8,000. And Gordon wants to know, is the extra cost worth it in terms of lifespan, upkeep, energy efficiency?
All of those windows today are going to last a long time.
Right.
I've got vinyl windows that are 25 years old. We didn't have composite. We didn't have all these choices when I did it.
Have composite.
And they're going to, well, we're going to get there in a minute.
Oh.
And I'm going to keep them for another 20 years if I stay alive and keep breathing. Now, you just put in composite windows.
I did.
Your windows look much better than mine.
They look different. You know, it's different than, not better than. It's just a different look.
But at the same time, if you have the extra 8,000 and you see the perfect window for you, the way you want it to look, the way you want it to be, they all perform really well.
And
but you can get a little bit better performance out of each one. But it's like a car or anything else. Live within your budget, but definitely upgrade from the old. I live within my budget, so
I live within my wife's budget.
Well, I can't do anything about that.
Okay.
Anyway, but get the window that you can afford and that will be an upgrade, because if you have old aluminum windows, anything's going to be better.
Anything will be better.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you, regardless of the window that you choose, Gordon, the thing that's going to surprise you when you get the windows is how quiet your house gets.
Yes. Even vinyl, composite, you name it, aluminum windows just make noise happen.
Jim Fumey called me and told me this story. He said that he had a customer, Gulf Coast Windows. That's who we recommend for all.
Absolutely,
windows,
they have a window for everybody.
Right.
Yes.
So anyway, but Jim Fumey called me and he told me he had got a complaint about one woman who got these composite windows put in her house. She complained because her kid fell off the swing and he couldn't hear him crying. So
open the window. They do open and close.
They said leave the door open. You know, the kids that small should be out there, but whatever. But the point is, you're going to be amazed at how it quiets down the house.
And supervise your children.
Of course.
Don't let them run up and down the street like a bunch of vagabonds.
You don't want them to wind up like us.
Yes. Okay. We could do that in the 60s. You can't do that anymore.
This is the product of poor parental supervision right here.
Absolutely.
So take this
for me, for sure.
Your cautionary tale. And then send us your questions. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom form. Send it in. Fill it out. Send it in. And we will post your answer in a video just like this one.